Ukrainian special forces fighting up close and taking prisoners. Rare footage of them still inside Russia's Kursk region, where British Storm Shadow missiles were claimed to have hit Wednesday, these fragments found by locals. Just hours earlier, American-supplied ATACMS missiles also ploughed into Russia, marking a stark new escalation in the war.
This is too little and too late. Ukraine is on a losing trajectory, and this seems very much like a guilt trip on the part of the outgoing democratic administration, who know they have not done enough, who have been overly cautious, and their intention was always not for Ukraine to win the war, but just to keep them in the war. That does seem extraordinarily cruel, but their strategic objective was not to win, but to ensure that it doesn't conflagrate into a wider war and escalate into something global and something they were involved in themselves.
姐妹们总烦恼脸上细纹干燥与暗沉，现在起跟我一起放心交给 KS Royal Face 皇家颜值逆时奇迹系列。KS Royal Face 皇家颜值逆时奇迹系列，它添加5种 EGF， 专门防止肌肤老化。 强化皮肤修复，增加肌肤弹性水嫩，轻松抚平皱纹，换回青春自信。KS Royal Face 皇家颜值逆时奇迹，护肤露、全效精华、精华霜，即刻启动冻龄密码。